Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be planting these Ranunculus mixed. I'm going to be using these inside of these toilet tubes. I can plant each one probably a couple of centimetres deep in there. These are ones that have been soaking overnight, so they should be alright. These hopefully none of them will rot. So I shall, I see a bit of rot on that one there, but it should be alright once it's planted, hopefully. So yeah, let's get cracking first. I'm using Wilco's multi-purpose 125 litre compost. It's a peat-based compost. It has some feed in it as well, always helps. It's set up nicely. First of all, these toilet roll tubes. We need to get yourself some compost. Definitely you don't want it too dry. Just a little bit of moisture in, so you want it a little bit of colour like that. And the corner there. Don't want to mix these up. Don't worry if you get some of these little claws drop off, little bits of tuber. Not the end of the world, as long as the main tuber is intact and the top of it stays intact, 'cause that's where the new shoots are going to come from. So right, first of all, yeah, that's what we're growing. Ranunculus mixed. A lot of people say 5 centimetres deep, but I think a couple of centimetres is fine. We'll have to agree to disagree. So first of all, get a couple of inches of compost into your tube, and then I've cut this piece of wood off, and you just want to give it a good tap down like so. Then you end up with a nice plug of compost in the bottom, as you can see. It doesn't fall out, and then you're sorted. So yeah, once that's done, fill it up. We've got 1.5 inches, 2 inches there, that's fine. And then place in there like so. So yeah, I'll just get on with the rest of these. I know you don't want to see me messing about doing all these. So I'll just do a couple more. Couple of inches of compost. Give it a good tap down, wrong end. So nice plug there, nice solid. And a bit more compost in. And to one side like that. Yeah, like I said, I get this compost delivered, and it's well worth it, especially with the pandemic and what's been going off. As you can see, really good crumb to it. Really retains moisture really well, but not too much, and also adds plenty of air into your compost. So yeah, a really good all-rounder. So yeah, I'll just get on with doing the rest of these. Yeah, welcome back. They're all done now, these, as you can see. Nice. All you need to do then is simply get these. These bits want to be pointing at the bottom of the little tubers, the little corners want to be pointing downwards, so each one place it nicely in the centre like so. And even if you get one that's dried up like that, give it a go. What's the worst that can happen? If it grows, it grows. You've got it in a free plant, don't worry about it. But yeah, all the way around like so. Like I said, it says 5 centimetres, but I think 3 centimetres is plenty. Right, that's them all done like so. All you need to do then is just fill them to the top full of compost, give them a little pat down like so. Like I said, it's a peat-based compost. There's a little bit of feed in it, but once they start growing, you can start feeding them once a week then. I'd use a liquid tomato feed. Always find a good quality liquid tomato feed is always good for these, because they've got the energy they really need in the tubers. But a little boost won't do them anyhow. Yeah, all the way to the end like so. Give a good covering. I said 3 centimetres, they'll be fine. The reason I do them in these toilet tubes is you can take them out, you can plant them exactly where you want, no root disturbance at all. There we go. 2 more seconds. Yeah, the sun's out today. It's really nice on my back, really lovely and warm, but it's been snowing as well. Snow, snow in the sun. Roll on the end of April and May. Frost-free nights, that's what I'm looking forward to. I can get the cosmos and other things planted out. Just a little bit more. do then, give it a little shake, like so. Just separate them, tap down, and all you need to do then is water them. What I do for this is, I've got a little container there. All I need to do with this then is in the container. That's it. That's the bottom. There we go. Top it up with water. Like so from the top. There we go. It'd be better if it were flat, this, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And once those are totally wet to the top, totally saturated to the top, take them out. They'll go in my greenhouse on a nice well lit shelf. If you've got any questions on how to grow Ranunculus mix, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Bye.